Hakunin is the shaman of the Arroyo village. His appearance is unsettling, and his manner of speaking is calm but sophisticated. He formulates everything as a kind of riddle. He can heal the player character whenever needed. Hakunin possesses psychic abilities that allow him to contact the Chosen One through dreams. He is a kind-hearted character living in Arroyo in 2241. His interactions with the player are unique due to his eccentric choice of words. Players with low intelligence may elicit responses from him that will cause him to simplify his speech. In the game, Hakunin asks the Chosen One to kill the plants with dark souls that infest his garden, as well as to find the Gek for Arroyo. After the Enclave's attack on Arroyo, Hakunin informs the Chosen One that the villagers have been kidnapped by people in power armor, which begins a new mission.